A few Saturdays ago, my husband and I drove past an estate sale and decided to check it out. And as luck would have it, their basement had at least 5 tables full of craft supplies. I love going through other crafters' stuff and seeing what they enjoyed using. Now, once I started perusing, I learned that whatever could fit inside a plastic grocery bag was $15. Believe me when I say I stuffed my bag full. Now, was all this worth 15 bucks? I don't have any plans for these oversized clothespins, but I'm sure I will eventually think of something. Rub-on transfers are always a yes for me. I said yes to all the glitter, and yes, these are all the same color. This glitter was all Christmas themed, and they were in different textures. And even more glitter. And let's not forget the pastel glitter. Then there's this container of stackable glitter. I thought this was copper glitter, but it's copper flakes for paper making. I'm not 100% sure what this is, but I think it would go great in shaker cards. I'm not really sure what to do with these, but they're bottle cap tops in different sizes. And then these are some kind of embellishment, but they're flowers or resin flowers of some sort. Here we have some brads, and these are actually quite heavy. Here we have thread. Now I have a sewing machine and I kind of know how to sew, so I think these will come in handy eventually. Here's a paper crimper. I have the same exact one, but it's halfway to broken, so I was quite excited to find its replacement. And here's more stuff to embellish. I'm not really sure what all this is. Let's check it out. We have some gold stars, green stars. I'm guessing this is more of like Christmas themed. Don't know what these are. Brads maybe. And then this one is something I don't know. More embellishments. Silver stars, more green stars. Here's some kind of buttons. And then this is embellishments of some sort. Snowflakes. This is clear glass somethings. More of those resin flowers. Gold stars. Not sure what this is. Paper clips. Fancy paper clips. And then this is more embellishments of some sort. And then we have buttons. I don't do a lot of crafts with buttons, but I kind of felt compelled to buy these because it fit in my grocery store bag, so I just went with it. I was quite intrigued by this tin of metal stuff on the inside. I'm not 100% sure what to do with these things, but I think they get held down by brads, but I don't really know how to craft with all this stuff. And so we'll just see. I think these are paper clips. And I think you might put like feed ribbon through that. I don't really know. I'll figure it out eventually. I think this is a craft kit. There's pockets in there and snowflakes, so I'll have to open that soon. And then I found this set, which I thought was great, especially with Father's Day coming up. But there's stamps in here, which I don't think have ever been used. Well, maybe. I don't know. And then matching die cuts. So I'll be making something for my dad with this. And these are paisley die cuts, and I think it'll be fun getting all sorts of different bright colored papers and putting paisleys together. And here's more die cuts. This one is Celebrate You. I'm not really sure what the top one of these says, but the middle and the bottom says Celebrate You. So I'll have to do some research on that. And here's some clear stamps in this CD DVD container. It would have been really great if there was some matching die cuts, so I'm going to have to see if I can buy those because I like these stamps. And then here's another set of stamps, and I really like the succulent that's in the teacup. And then we have ribbon, and this is all the same, and they're Christmas ribbon. Here's some fabric covered brads. And more embellishments, and I think these have a sticky back to it, so it just sticks onto like greeting cards or journals or whatnot. And more sequin stars. And here's some clear faceted gems and some clear white ones. I wasn't sure if I needed this, but I still had room left in my bag, so I decided to grab it. It's a monogram stamper, and it comes with large size letters and small size letters, as well as some stamp ink. Now, I'm not sure how often I'll use it, but I think it'll look cute on when I send mail out. We'll see. I liked the color of this paper stack, so of course I had to take this. Then I had to grab the Abercrombie & Fitch tissue paper. I used to shop there back in the day, so I was feeling nostalgic. This paper was too pretty to pass up on. It looks like it might be homemade, I'm not really sure, but there was a lot of it, so I grabbed it all. I thought I could cut this up for my junk journal. And then I found this stack of metallic paper. And I love cactus and succulents, so I put this card making kit in my bag. Check out all these embossing folders that I got from the estate sale. I love embossing folders. I like the way it looks on paper. I like the texture it provides. And so anyway, I took them all. And I think I pissed off one of the ladies shopping the estate sale because she was being totally aggressive and actually trying to take the embossing folders out of the plastic bag that I was holding, which I thought was the weirdest thing. Had she asked nicely, I totally would have shared and like gave her half of them. But the fact that she just wanted to dig in my bag and take them was like the craziest thing I've ever experienced. I'm going to speed this part up and put a black piece of paper behind each of the embossing folders so you can kind of get an idea of what each embossing folder looks like. So what do you think? Was all this stuff worth $15? I totally do. I had such a fun time going through all these craft supplies, and the people running the estate sale were so nice and generous and gave me more stuff than would actually fit in my shopping bag, so thank you to them. And to the previous owner of these supplies, thank you. You had quite the collection, and I promised to take care of it all. And if you're still here watching what I picked up at the estate sale, thank you so much. Don't forget to like and subscribe below, and you'll be seeing all these supplies in future upcoming videos. So thank you.